Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're making something truly magical, blue butterfly pea flower tea. This vibrant blue tea is not only beautiful, but also packed with antioxidants. First, boil some water. Next, add 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried butterfly pea flowers to a cup. Pour the hot water over the flowers and let it steep for about 5–10 minutes. The longer you steep, the more intense the color and flavor will be. Watch as the water turns a gorgeous blue color. This is due to the natural pigments in the butterfly pea flowers. After steeping, strain the flowers out. You can sweeten your tea at this point. Now for a fun twist. If you add a slice of lemon, watch the magic happen as your blue tea turns purple due to the change in pH levels. It's a great way to impress your guests. And there you have it, a beautiful antioxidant-rich blue butterfly pea flower tea.